Telecom applications versus mobile applications. Telecom testing, mobile testing. Telecommunications, mobile device. See, what is the relation between telecom and mobile? We access telecommunications via mobile devices. That's it. But software point of view, no relation. See, telecom software applications and mobile software applications are different. Telecom is an industry. Telecom software applications are telecom industry related. Telecom services, telecom billing, customer care, etc. Telecom software applications are telecom industry related applications, whereas mobile applications are mobile device related applications. See, basically applications are computer based applications, but mobile versions. Mobile applications are mobile device related applications. That's it. See, telecom industry related applications, mobile device related applications. Next, telecom domain. See, telecom industry consists of a set of sectors like wireless communication, satellite communication, and internet services, etc. Telecom software applications are two types. Observe. We have two categories of telecom software applications. First one, operation support systems or operational support systems, OSS. See, OSS supports back office activities like telecom network, provisioning, maintaining customer service, inventory, etc. Next, business support systems. See, BSS deals with customer relationship manager and process such as generating invoices, IVRs, call centers, taking orders, processing bills, collecting payments, etc. Next, mobile applications. See, a mobile application, most commonly referred to as an app, is a type of application software designed to run on a mobile device such as smartphones and tablet computers, tabs. Next, mobile applications are frequently served to provide users with a similar services to those access on PCs, personal computers. Apps are generally small individual software units with limited functions. Suppose youtube.com is there. That is a video sharing website. From computers, we can access that video sharing website. Next, YouTube app also there. We can access same YouTube application from our mobile, but limited functionality. See, computer applications are having complete functionalities, but mobile applications may have some important functionalities. Suppose facebook.com is there. For facebook.com, we have computer version. Next, mobile version also there. linkedin.com, computer version is there. Next, mobile version is there. Computer software, mobile software. Say, apps are generally small individual software units with limited function. Say, we have three types of mobile applications in the industry. One is mobile native applications. Next, mobile web applications or web apps. Next, mobile hybrid applications. Hybrid applications are a combination of native and web applications. Next, web testing, mobile testing and telecom testing. Both are different. Once again I am telling, telecom is industry. Telecom software applications are industry related application. Mobile is device. Mobile software applications are device related applications.